Imagine boosting your security without complex wiring or drilling. What if protecting your home, business, or loved ones was as easy as screwing in a light bulb? It is now. Forget expensive professional installations. These security cameras fit standard E26, E27 light sockets. Simply screw them in, connect to your Wi-Fi, and you're ready. It works with 110V to 240-volt power, making it versatile for various locations. Get peace of mind installed in minutes, not hours. See everything in sharp 2K HD resolution. Capture important details clearly, whether it's monitoring your front porch or a back alley. Experience full-color night vision up to 33 feet. Unlike traditional black and white, you get vivid images even in low-light conditions. Never miss a corner with 360 degrees panoramic view. Remotely control the camera's 355 degrees pan and 90 degrees tilt from your phone. Set up automatic patrols to scan your desired areas. Keep a watchful eye on large spaces effortlessly. Hear what's happening and speak through the camera. The built-in microphone and speaker allow real-time communication. Talk to visitors, deter intruders, or check in on pets or family members. It's like being there even when you're not. Receive instant alerts on your phone when motion is detected. The AI human detection helps reduce false alarms. Trigger a siren and bright light directly from the app to scare away unwanted guests. Stay informed and take action immediately. These cameras support both 5G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi bands. This provides a stronger, more stable connection and wider coverage. Enjoy seamless streaming and reliable alerts without worrying about signal drops. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, with an IP65 waterproof rating, they withstand rain and shine. Install them on porches, garages, patios, or inside your home or business. They are built to perform in various environments. Store your footage securely. Choose between cloud storage, subscription optional, or a local microSD card, sold separately. Access recorded video playback anytime, anywhere via the app. Keep a history of events for review. Perfect for home security, keeping an eye on your property while away. Monitor entry points or backyards easily. Ideal for small businesses needing simple surveillance. Watch over your shop or office after hours. Use it as a pet camera to check on your furry friends, talk to them remotely, and ensure they're safe. Provides peace of mind for elderly care, monitor their well-being discreetly, and communicate if needed. Works with popular smart home platforms like Alexa and Google Assistant. Control your camera using simple voice commands. Integrates security seamlessly into your smart home ecosystem. Ready for simple, effective security? These light bulb cameras offer powerful features in an easy-to-install package. Protect what matters most without the hassle. Visit the product page on Amazon to learn more and purchase your 2-pack today. Enhance your security with the convenience of a light bulb. Subscribe